Tell me I can't, and I will show you I can.
Bogie Latiner did a 180 turn in her life when she chose to become a mechanic instead of continuing her path to becoming a lawyer.
I started the shop in 2006 in my driveway and grew it slowly over time.
But becoming a mechanic and then business owner of her own shop called 180 Automotive wasn't easy.
I had to go to 20 shops before I got the first shop to say yes to hiring me.
Less than 3% of auto service technicians and mechanics are women, according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics.
I wanted to open up a shop that would never ever make anybody, male or female, feel the way I felt when I was a little girl bringing my car in for service.
Bogie says she chooses to educate and empower others through automotive.
To come in a judgment-free, low-pressure environment where they're going to get treated respectfully, but also to create opportunities for other women in the trades. We make a point of seeking out female apprentices and raising them up into technicians.
We have women service advisors, we have women technicians, so you're pretty much just free to do your job and not have to worry about trying to prove yourself in this industry.
The shop itself represents a mission.
Promote the trades in general as a valid, respectable career path and create more opportunities for women in the trades. Really to support and to empower women in general has always been my passion.
Breaking into a male-dominated industry hasn't been easy for Bogie, but she says representation matters when it comes to paving the way for others.
You can tell a little kid till you're blue in the face that they can grow up to be anything they want to be. But until they see somebody who looks like them doing it, they don't actually believe it.
Not only is Bogie the owner of a shop mostly operated by women, but she's also the host of an international show called All Girls Garage that airs on the Velocity channel. In the broadcast center, Nicole Gutierrez, Cronkite News.